Well, I hope in our last video you were able to understand or learn the names of the different parts of the leaf, the different types of cells that make up the leaf. Let me use my eraser and clean it a little bit. So, I hope you've learned all of these different parts, and now we'll move on to the first function of the leaf. What are leaves doing in a plant? What do they do for a particular plant? So, let me just magnify my marker, increase the size of the pointer. Now, the first function performed by the leaf is known as photosynthesis. And photo, the word photo means light, and the word synthesis means to make. Now, this does not mean that the leaf is making light. What photosynthesis means is the process by which plant makes its food using sunlight. So, leaf is the food factory of a plant. It is the leaf where the food is made, and how is food made is something that we'll now see. Now let me rub what I've written so far so that you can see what happens inside the leaf. Now inside the leaf, a chemical reaction takes place. A change takes place in which some chemicals are involved. So first of all, the plant makes use of a gas called carbon dioxide, and this is called CO2. And I have written G in the bracket, which means it's a gas. Now, this carbon dioxide that is found present in the leaves, and where does it come from, is something I'm going to talk in a little while. This carbon dioxide gas is combined with water, which is in the liquid state, and that's why I've written L. So, carbon dioxide gas and water in the liquid state, they are connected. How? Using the energy that is falling on the leaves in the form of sunlight. Now, sunlight is used by the plant to join these two molecules, carbon dioxide and water. And there is a very important chemical present inside the plant, which is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Now, chlorophyll acts like a tailor. And what does it do? Chlorophyll uses the sunlight as a machine or as a source of energy and joins carbon dioxide and water. And what does it make? It makes a substance called glucose, which is nothing but the food for the plant. And along with that, oxygen gas, which is a waste for the plant, and some extra water which the plant does not need, are also produced in this reaction. So this whole process here is known as photosynthesis. So coming back to photosynthesis once again, it's a process that takes place in the leaf in which carbon dioxide gas and water are combined together by chlorophyll, and chlorophyll makes use of the energy present in the sunlight to join these two molecules. And what is the outcome? Well, the plant makes food which is called glucose. Well, I hope you all have tasted glucose sometime in your life. Along with glucose, there are two products formed which are usually not of great use for the plant, and they are considered waste by the plant, which is oxygen gas and water. And this water is formed in the liquid state, or it can be in the gaseous state. Now, how does this carbon dioxide reach the leaf? Now, do you know where carbon dioxide is present? Carbon dioxide is present in the air, and the air gets into the inside the leaf through the stomata. So can you now appreciate the role of the stomata? If there were no stomata under the leaf, there would be no carbon dioxide available for the leaves, and photosynthesis will not take place. Also, what else does the stomata do is something we learn in our next video.